Please press Enter System button, then press on the Recipe button and select one of the 6 recipes available to be programmed. There are 24 time and temperature segments in each recipe. You can set up time and temperature for each segment individually. In order to create a new firing program, you will always need to set up the temperature, time and power limit. We highly recommend keeping the internal parameter, power, as 100% to reach maximal efficiency during the firing process. Please note if the power limit will be 0%, the firing process will not start. Please press on the red 0 button and enter the required temperature, then press the white arrow button to confirm it. Please press on the blue 0 button and enter the required time, then press the white arrow button to confirm it. Please press on the gray 0 button and enter 100% power, then press the white arrow button to confirm it. Let's have a look at the example above. We will program 7 out of 24 segments. According to the programming sample chart, for the first segment the temperature was set up as 450 degrees and the time 60 minutes. This means that in 60 minutes time the kiln will reach 450 degrees. For the second segment the temperature was set up as 450 degrees and the time 30 minutes. This means that the kiln will soak this temperature for 30 minutes. For the third segment the temperature was set up as 875 degrees and the time 60 minutes. This means that the temperature from 450 degrees will rise to 875 degrees in 60 minutes time. For the fourth segment the temperature was set up as 875 degrees and the time 15 minutes. This means that the kiln will soak this temperature for 15 minutes. For the fifth segment the temperature was set up as 473 degrees and the time 60 minutes. This means that the temperature will decrease from 875 degrees to 473 degrees in 60 minutes time. For the sixth segment the temperature was set up as 473 degrees and the time 25 minutes. This means that the kiln will soak this temperature for 25 minutes. For the seventh segment the temperature was set up as 100 degrees and the time 120 minutes. This means that the temperature will decrease from 473 degrees to 100 degrees in 120 minutes time. Please note that for the eighth segment no temperature, time and power was set up. All these parameters indicate 0. This means that after decreasing to 100 degrees the firing program will finish. If you have finished setting up temperature, time and power for the required number of segments, you can then change the name of your newly created firing program, schedule. To do so, please press on the recipe 1 and then on the globe icon to expand the keyboard. Please note, you can enter only up to 10 symbols. We will name our firing program as sample. When it is done please press load the program button. After this the red square will light up and the recipe is being written. Please wait, message will appear at the bottom of the screen. After this, you will be automatically transferred to the previous section recipe preset and selection. Please note that there is a red dot next to the first firing program named as sample. It indicates that currently selected recipe. Please press back button and the confirmation window will appear on the screen. Please press OK button. In order to start the firing program, schedule please press the green Run button. When it is done, the bonfire icon will appear next to the total remaining time, the name of the firing program and its maximal temperature, the consecutive number of the currently active segment and the time left for its completion. You can always have the insight into the firing process by pressing the dashboard button. You can also skip the current segment of the firing program without any need to wait for its completion. To do so please press the blue skip button. To stop the firing program completely at any segment please press the red reset button and the firing program will finish, then you can select another one or let your kiln cool down.